Hello and welcome to Crypto Schnack, and for those who are new, welcome, and for those who are not, welcome back. It's nice to have you all here, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so if you're new, please do so to stay up to date. It would really help my channel to grow. And if you haven't checked out my Twitter account yet, it is Bitcoin Daily at Crypto Schnack, and I'm posting here about two topics trading in crypto, Bitcoin, and Tesla. Let's dive in right now. We are currently sitting at almost $10,500, slightly in the plus range of 0.5%. We do have the Binance coin up by 4%, and we do have Cardano up by 4%. Tezos is even up by 11%. If we dive in more, we do see Ocean Protocol up by 20%, OMG Network up by 13%, Yearn Finance coming back with 13%. For those who like to invest in projects like Yearn Finance or Uniswap that I'm going to talk about in a second, always remember it reminds me a bit of the hype in 2017. There's a lot of money going in, a lot of people gain a lot of money, but you can also lose. So please be aware that these price jumps, as they seem to be a little bit smaller here on this chart, they are massive. And if you look at this price chart, you see that we have hit almost 40,000 at a certain point and then went down to 20,000. So this is a decline of 50%, and the same happened here, 40,000 down to 22%. So always remember, there are big gains, but there are also big setbacks, and you can, if you don't invest at the right time, you lose a lot of money. I would like to show you this in an example with Chainlink. Chainlink was hyped like crazy, and you see for those who invested at a price of 36 cents, 51 cents at the beginning of or end of 2018, they have all made a lot of money and still have a lot of money right now. Nevertheless, if you have invested here at $3 or down here at $2, you still make a lot of profit, but for those who have invested here at a certain point when the hype was the highest, you see there's always a setback. Always remember that. So you can trade much more safely in the future, and I will show you another example. In this case, it is Uniswap, which has experienced pretty much the same. We do see now setbacks here, which are a bit smaller, but if we go into the 7-day chart, you see we have been up here at $7, $8 or $8, and we have seen setback of almost 50%. So again, guys, we are at $4.13, and the highest point was $8.39, which means if you would have been the person buying up here because you thought the hype is going to stay, then you are 50% losing. So of course the price can turn back. I'm not saying that, and I have nothing against Yearn Finance, Uniswap or Chainlink at all, but always remember, when you trade safely or trade with stop losses. If we look at the Bitcoin chart, we are sitting at the daily chart. We are looking at a green-blue candle, and a lot of people have been getting pessimistic about what we have seen here right now. To be honest with you, if you look in the long term, and I'm using long term with 1 year back, and we look in the March of 2019, I honestly must say, if you take this area of the coronavirus out, we are still setting a nice upwards trend, and we actually followed this trend, and when we went below it, we went right up again. So you can set this even a bit lower if you like. So we would have still ways to go down to 10,100 again, but you see we found support here. So guys, in the long term, if we're looking at this, in the long term, you see that we have this nice gains. And we haven't gone back down to this level. We haven't gone back down to this level. And here, for me, the most important part is that we are not going back to this level, because this was the time when it really went crazy. So we went up from 9,100 here up to 12,400. We are back down at 10,000. We were there a few days ago. And if you watch, this is still over 10%. So we still made a jump of 10%. And if we are confirming this trend, we would have a higher low here, which would be another 4 to 5% above this higher high or higher low, and we would set another one, and then we can sail back and in October reach 12,000. And once we go through that, I do think we will see some massive moves. This is the key level we have to get through, the 12,000 range. Nevertheless, you see the level we are exactly above this high here. We are sitting right above this high, and we are sitting in an average area here. And if we go back to 2017, we are at this level. So we are not doing that bad, guys. We are doing pretty good if you are a long-term investor, of course. So guys, if you like to support me, of course, but if you're new to crypto, you can check out my Patreon Crypto Shark memberships. I do give you personalized support. Asking questions is more than welcome to me, and you can write me emails. I will give you detailed answers. Certain packages allow you to call me, and I will assist you with any questions you have, and I can give you all the knowledge I have from my LinkedIn, my 13,000 connections I do have over there. I can send you the link as a proof as well if you sign up. And as a person who is in the crypto space for a long time right now, I can give you a lot of knowledge from this time, mistakes I have done and success I had. So guys, if you're a Uniswap supporter, keep calm. I do think the price will go back, but what I wanted to tell you is that you have to understand the certain price times we do see massive gains, and there will be always setbacks after that. So if we do look at Polkadot is a good example as well. We look at the 1 month chart, and you see we have seen this entire move up here, crazy movements from 1.2 billion to 4.8 billion. So really nice money you could have made. It got a setback, and we are sitting again at $4, same area again. So you could have made money when trading this way and this way. Again, always remember, it is in this case for crypto related projects, 50% is not such a high return on investment. So always remember which project you invest in, where you want to do short gains, and which one you want to invest in where you have long-term gains, because long-term gains is something you can do really well with Bitcoin, for example. So guys, if you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel. It would really help me, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, guys.